Hey everyone, Casey Dimon here. We're talking about tax sales in the state of Utah. The state of Utah is a tax deed state. In a tax deed state, the actual property is sold after failure to pay property taxes. This will differ from a tax lien state where just a priority lien against the property is sold. So Utah actually sells the property. Now, after the property taxes are delinquent for a minimum of 4 years, the parcel can be put up for tax sale auction by the county. State law allows the properties to be sold in two different manners: an ownership interest bid down process and a standard premium bid process. The county treasurer, auditor, whoever handles the sale, chooses the specific manner of the sale. The ownership interest bid down method is where the party who is willing to accept the lowest amount of ownership in that property becomes the winner. For example, this could mean that you end up owning 40% of a piece of property and the defaulting taxpayer still owns the other 60%. Because this leads to lawsuits for partition sales and all sorts of other methods, I really don't recommend it to my students. Fortunately, however, the most common method of auction is a standard auction where the winning bidder is the person willing to pay the most amount of money for that property. Now, the opening bid will start at the amount of the delinquent taxes, penalties, interest, and fees that are going to be owed against the property. After the property has been sold at tax sale auction, there is no redemption period. They can't get it back after that point. Properties that are not sold at the auction are struck off and are sold to the county. These might be available for purchase directly from the county after the auction. It just depends on the county's process. The sales are going to be handled by the county tax auditor or the county treasurer, and they usually take place in the month of May. Now, be sure to check with the county directly for registration information. Some counties will require you to register prior to the day of the sale, while others require registration on the morning of the sale. Additionally, many counties will post their auction list as well as other useful information directly on their websites for convenient access. Payment is going to be expected the day of the auction, and you will usually be required to be in person to bid, or you could send an agent to bid on your behalf in many counties. If you'd like to take a look at the tax sale laws, head on over to Google and search Utah Code 59-2-13. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, the breakdown of Utah's tax sale laws. For information on other states, head on over to taxsaleacademy.com and click on State Guide. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.